In Contents, select the volcano type layer. In the main symbology pane, change the symbology drop-down to Unique Values. Change the Value field to Type. Widen the symbology pane, if needed, to see all of it. Click the More drop-down and select Show All Other Values to uncheck it and turn this category off. Click the Shield Volcano entry. Then hold down the Control key and click the Shield Volcanoes entry so that both rows are highlighted. Right-click in the Shield Volcano label box and choose Group Values. Click in the label box containing the double entry. Edit it to simply Shield Volcano. And click Enter. Click More and choose Format All Symbols. Click the Gallery tab and set the symbol to Triangle 3. Click the circled back arrow to return to the main symbology pane. Change the color scheme to one with dark bold colors that will show up well. Examine the map and the final symbology pane. In Contents, turn on the Highways layer. Then right-click it and choose Attribute Table. Examine the Highway Type field. Close the table and select Highways in the Contents pane. In the main symbology pane, select the Unique Values map type. Set the Value field to Highway Type. Choose More, Show Count to view the number of features in each category. Notice the lone H value and the 58 unlabeled roads. Right-click the row containing the H value and choose Remove. It removes the category and places the feature in the All Other Values entry. Right-click on the row with the unlabeled features and remove it also. Click twice in the box under the Label column to highlight it, edit the label, and change it to U.S. Highways. Replace the S label with State Highways and the I label with Interstates. And the All Other Values label with Unclassified. Click the U.S. Highways row to select it. Click the up arrow to move it below the Interstates row. Click the symbol for Interstates to open the symbol gallery. Choose the first highway symbol and click the back arrow. Click the symbol for U.S. Highways. Select the 2.0 symbol. Click the Properties heading in the Format Line Symbol window and change the color to dark green. Click Apply and click the back arrow. Change the symbol for State Highways to match the U.S. Highways. but with a light brown color. Examine the map and the legend in the Contents pane. In Contents, click the Counties layer symbol. In the main Symbology pane, change the symbology to graduated colors. Set the field to pop 2014 if necessary. Choose SQMI as the normalization field near the bottom of the list. Change the color ramp to a monochromatic one, such as light to dark orange. Open the Advanced Symbol Options panel and expand the Format Labels heading. Give the labels 2 significant digits and check the box to show thousand separators. Return to the primary Symbology panel. In Contents, rename the Counties layer Population Density. Right-click on the Population Density layer name and choose Copy. Right-click the Geography map icon and choose Paste. Leave it on top for now. Rename the new layer on top Median Age. In the Symbology pane, change the field to Median Age. Change the Normalization field to None. Use the Advanced Symbol Options panel to format the labels to 2 significant digits. Return to the primary Symbology panel. In the Symbology pane for the Median Age layer, change the method to Defined Interval. Ignore any warning. Set the interval size to 5 and click Tab. Reset the value format to 2 significant digits, and then return to the primary Symbology panel. Examine the legend in the Contents pane. Add the Major Cities data set from the Oregon Data GIA database. In the Symbology pane for the Major Cities layer, set the symbology to graduated symbols and set the field to pop 2014. Notice the tabs in the lower half of the Symbology pane, Classes and Histogram. Click the Histogram tab. Examine the spacing of the class breaks and horizontal bars showing the number of cities in each class. Hover over the X symbol to see the mean value. Click More, Show Statistics to see more information. Click it again to turn them off. Set the number of classes to 3. Click the template symbol and set the color to a light one that will show up well when the symbols overlap. Click Apply. Return to the main Symbology pane. Use the Advanced Symbol Options panel to format the labels to 3 significant digits with thousand separators. Return to the primary symbology panel.